Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I'm so happy to see you here today. In this video, you're going to learn English with a special technique called shadowing. You'll also hear a story that will make you smile and change how you see mistakes. Most learners fear mistakes, but what if I told you your mistakes are your best teacher? Let's find out why. You might be wondering, what exactly is shadowing? It's a simple way to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence in English. You listen to someone speaking, and then you repeat what they say, exactly the same way. Same tone, same emotion, same rhythm. It's like being a shadow, following every move. Here's how we'll practice today. First, I'll tell you a short story slowly and clearly while the words appear on the screen. Then, later, you'll repeat the sentences with me in the shadowing practice part. You'll get to speak naturally, confidently, and beautifully. Sound good? Perfect. Before we start, let me tell you why I chose this story. It's about a young woman named Sarah who learned something important, not from success, but from a small mistake. And that lesson will remind you why being wrong can sometimes be the best thing that happens to us. Let's begin. Sarah's story. I'm at the airport right now, and I feel so excited. Today is the day I'm flying to New York City for the first time. I have my ticket, my passport, and my bags. Everything is ready. I walk to the check-in desk and hand my ticket to the lady. She smiles. Here's your boarding pass. You're in seat 17A. Have a good flight. Thank you, I reply. A window seat. Perfect. I love looking out of the window when I fly. I go through security. It takes forever. The line is long, but I finally get through. Now I'm at gate 23, waiting to board. After some time, I hear the announcement, Flight 567 to New York is now boarding. My heart races. This is it. I walk down the aisle, looking for my seat. 17A. But someone is already sitting there, a man in a blue jacket looking out of the window. I feel nervous but say, "Excuse me, sir, this is my seat." He looks surprised. "Oh, are you sure? Let me check my ticket." He checks. Mine says 17A. Now I'm confused. I show him my ticket. See? It also says 17A. He looks, then smiles kindly. "No problem. You can take the seat. I'll sit in the middle. I feel a little bad, but also happy. I really wanted the window seat." The plane takes off. I look out at the clouds. Beautiful, bright, peaceful. The man next to me starts talking. "Going to New York for vacation?" he asks. "Yes," I say. "It's my first time. I want to see Times Square and the Statue of Liberty." "That's great," he says. "I live in New York. You'll love it. It's busy, but full of life." As we talk, I notice something strange. He doesn't seem upset about losing the window seat. He's calm, friendly. A few minutes later, the flight attendant stops beside us. "Excuse me," she says softly, "but I think there's been a mistake." "What mistake?" I ask. "You're in the wrong seat," she explains. "This seat 17A belongs to this gentleman. Yours is 17C, the aisle seat." My face turns red. I look at the man. He just smiles. "It's okay," he says. "I don't mind the middle seat." I feel so embarrassed. All this time I thought I was right. But I was wrong. I'm so sorry, I say. You were right all along. He laughs. Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen for the rest of the flight. I can't stop thinking about how kind he was. He didn't argue. He didn't get angry. He just smiled and let it go. As the plane lands, I thank him again. You're very kind, I say. He laughs. Enjoy New York, and next time, double-check your ticket. When I leave the plane, I feel many things: embarrassment, gratitude, and relief. It's okay to be wrong if you learn something good from it. The lesson now: let's pause and reflect on what just happened. Sarah learned something simple but powerful. Always check your ticket. Yes, but more than that, be kind when others make mistakes. Her mistake brought embarrassment, but also growth. And that man's calmness showed true confidence, the kind that doesn't need to argue. Learning English is like this. We all make mistakes. We all sit in the wrong seat sometimes, but mistakes don't mean failure. They mean progress. Every error you make is a sign that you're learning. Useful phrases. All right, let's take what we learned and turn it into useful English. Excuse me, this is my seat. Say this when you think someone is sitting in your spot. Let me check my ticket. A polite way to confirm your details. Have a good flight. A friendly way to wish someone a safe journey. Don't worry about it. A gentle way to show understanding. Mistakes happen. Use this to comfort someone who made an error. Enjoy your trip. A warm, friendly wish for travelers. Shadowing practice. Time now. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Slowly, clearly, with feeling. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I make mistakes, and that's okay. I make mistakes, and that's okay. Each mistake helps me grow. Each mistake helps me grow. I speak with more confidence each time. I speak with more confidence each time. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. I stay calm and kind, even when I'm wrong. I stay calm and kind, even when I'm wrong. I learn from people around me. I learn from people around me. English connects me to the world. English connects me to the world. My pronunciation is improving. My pronunciation is improving. My rhythm feels natural. My rhythm feels natural. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy learning. I enjoy learning. I enjoy growing. I enjoy growing. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I stay true to my journey. I stay true to my journey. I stay true to myself. I stay true to myself. Take a deep breath and smile, because every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. Great job. The truth about learning. The world often says success means struggle, but true success begins when you learn with joy, not fear. When you learn for yourself, not for others, everything becomes lighter. English is not just grammar and vocabulary, it's connection, kindness, confidence. So learn with heart, learn with curiosity, and remember, Progress is built on small, imperfect steps. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I'm proud of you for practicing and repeating with courage. Now tell me in the comments, today I learned that mistakes. I'll read every single one. If this story made you smile, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Speaking Way, where we don't just study English. We feel it. And before you go, watch my most popular video, the one that has helped thousands of learners find confidence in their English voice. You'll love it, and it's waiting for you right after this one. Remember, keep learning, keep listening, and always stay true to yourself, because that is where your real power lives. See you in the next episode.